Good morning, Year 11. I just want to run you through this lesson in case you're doing it asynchronously. It's about water security. You're going to need the two Google Docs, but I'm just going to talk you through which bits you use to fill in what. Okay, so some things to start thinking about why water demand has increased so much over the years. Some pictures, maybe think about people, environmental and economic reasons. Why has demand increased so much? Okay, and then it's going to go through a few slides. And the idea is when you get to this slide, you'll have read through, then you go to your Google Docs sheet and you try and write down as many reasons as you can remember and look back at the slides if you need. Okay, then we're going to look at why it's different between LICs and HICs. So there's two graphs here. You can see in LICs there's a lot more agricultural use, whereas HICs a lot more industrial use, and domestic's a lot higher as well. So thinking about why, so you're going to do first of all describing the difference. What's the difference in the segments? Not why, just what is the difference, and then can you suggest some reasons why? And there are some ideas here to help you if you're not sure. Then we're going to look at patterns of water supply, difference in demand and supply, and where has excess and where does not. So this map shows you where we have water surplus, which is green, and where we have water deficit, where we don't have enough, which is the red colours. Okay, and linked to that, you have to zoom in here. I put a map that we saw earlier in the topic, which is about where they've got scarcity because of economic reasons. So in Africa, they've not got enough because of money, so they can't extract clean water, and physical scarcity. So in these areas over here, which are suffer from much drier conditions, they literally don't have enough water. Even if they had more money, they wouldn't be able to have more water. So I've kind of highlighted it to show you where it's poverty and where it's climate. Okay, and your job then is to describe the pattern and then to try and explain the pattern. Okay, then we need to look at, right, so we know some places we've got water demand exceeds supply, so we need to know what affects supply apart from climate and what affects the availability apart from just poverty. So this is where you go to your other Google Doc, info recording sheets. Okay, and you're going to have to fill these in using the textbook scan here. Okay, and I believe this is scanning the wrong way, so you might want to it's going to let me open it with Google Docs. I might be able to rotate it. I don't know why I can't rotate it at the moment. Let's try opening it again. Normally I can rotate it. I mean, that's opened it, so if you want to open it as a Google Doc, it has opened it there. Okay, the other thing to do, where is it? If I download it, the problem is I own it, so it's not going to do it for me properly. No, it's not going to do it for me. It will do it for you. You'll be able to download it, and therefore you should be able to see it properly. Let me save it somewhere. For example, right click if you saved it, and then if you open it, you should be able to then right click and rotate it, which is all we want to do to be able to see it. Anyway, trying to fill these sections in. okay, using that information, and that will help you complete this sheet. If I can't get it to work like this, but guys, I will rotate it before I upload it, so the one you see will hopefully be the right way up. Thanks very much.